Alright traders, welcome. Today is 12th of February 2020. So we are now live day trading crude oil market, WTI NYMEX March 2020 contract. So in this video I will show you how to do a trade during US session. So we did miss a few entry earlier during US session, but now we are on the queue for short sell position. So from my live Telegram channel, I already include the signal, send out the signal at to short the market at 51.46 and to hit the TP at 51.33. So this is what I'm expecting at this moment. So let's wait and see whether hopefully this will be a good trade for us in the reversal of the market, and looks good for now. Let's wait a few more minutes before this entry got filled and hope for the best. Alright traders, we already in the market. So at this moment one ticks below the entry level, so we did enter at 51.46. so looks good so far. 2 ticks or 3 ticks is the highest just now. Yep. So hopefully we can exit fast from this trade, because this is what I'm hoping for this trade to become a epic trade signal. So let's wait and see how fast it will give us the profitability. So plus 3 ticks, 2 ticks, now back to 0. It seems like very volatile at this moment, and there's a high volume waiting here at 51.42, 51.40. 200 is quite strong actually. So I will exit for TP at 51.33, far below the highest price level. So the price around 2 or plus 2 plus 3 ticks at this moment. So we'll keep watching. Hopefully it will have a good. Okay, 4 ticks, 5 ticks, looks good, and 6 ticks. Oh, very fast. It was back upside. So let's wait. Still there is a high volume waiting here at 51.40, 111. And our Q is 51.33. So now 7 ticks. Keep hanging over there. 7 ticks. So I will exit at 51.33. Hopefully it will touch this price level. Alright traders, we did hit the TP area, so 130 US dollar in profit. So we did enter at 46, 51.46, and then exit as a profit at 51.33. This was a quick 130 US dollar, I think, in a few. So let's take a look at what price I did enter. Okay. Right. Okay, we did enter at 10:31 and exit. Sorry, this one is not. Okay, this is, we exit 5 minutes. So this one is under 5 minutes, around about that 4 minutes plus. And 5 minutes we did enter at 10:41. Short sell 51.46, and then I exit as TP at 10:46 PM my local time. Yeah, 4 minutes or 5 minutes. One a normal one for a trade, a bit longer, but yeah, it's okay. Still a few tough days. Then today we made some money. So I think that's all for today. This one is under epic trade, so there's a link below in description. Feel free to click on it. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and we always trade for a quick time every day, so we can do endurance every day the whole year. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.